December 12, 2019, Glendale, Arizona, USA, Chicago Blackhawks center Jonathan Toews, 19, looks on during the third period against the Arizona Coyotes at Gila River Arena.Severance is a well-connected writer and handicapper who has worked in the industry since 2005. He is a whopping 150-95 in his last 245 NHL picks, returning almost $1,800 for the $100 better. Montreal's task at hand is difficult enough, but Tampa Bay's postseason history makes it that much harder. The Lightning have never lost a playoff series in which they owned a 3-0 or 3-1 lead, winning all 14 while never being taken to a seventh game. Tampa Bay also has demonstrated the ability to bounce back, going 6-0 after a loss in the 2021 Stanley Cup playoffs and 13-0 over the last two postseasons.